Hi, I'm Terry Hadlin Stanley. I'm the Director of Sales here at Merrill Manufacturing in Storm Lake, Iowa. Okay, we're going to start with some questions that are frequently asked about pitcher pumps. We offer two models of pitcher pumps, and one of the questions that we get is, if my water table is 20 feet down, are these pumps going to work with that? And the answer is yes. 25 foot is the maximum pull on both of the models, so as long as you're 25 feet or less, you're good to go with these. Another question that we get is, am I going to have to prime this every time I use it? And the answer to that is, it's all going to depend on the frequency of use, but generally speaking, if you're using it frequently, no, they should remain primed. If they have set for a long period of time and they do need some priming, that's very simple. Another question that we get asked is, what if I have an 1.25-inch drop pipe, and can I use that with this pitcher pump? And the answer is yes. You're just going to simply have to reduce or use a reducing bushing, and you can hook up your 1.25 inch to the connection down below and use the 1.25 inch pipe. The main differences between these two pitcher pumps is this is what we call a heavy duty model. The casting is going to be a little bit heavier duty. Funny thing is, we do get asked what this writing on the side means, and the actual translation is continual triple success. So that's a nice, happy, positive thing to have out there in your garden or wherever you're putting this to use. Some people find this handle to be a little more user-friendly. The shape, they like it a little bit better. Also, the leather down inside is going to be more of a rubber texture rather than the traditional actual leather in this style. That covers pretty much any of the frequently asked questions on our models of pitcher pump.